The power and the promise. Nuclear energy in the 21st century. As we move further into the 21st century, the role of nuclear energy is becoming increasingly significant. Nuclear energy is a powerful source of electricity. It generates a substantial amount of power from a relatively small amount of fuel. It helps power our homes and businesses, ensuring that we have the energy we need to live our modern lives. It is also a low-carbon energy source, which means it produces very little greenhouse gas emissions compared to fossil fuels. This makes it important in the fight against climate change. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, nuclear energy can help mitigate the effects of global warming. As we look for cleaner and more sustainable energy options, nuclear power emerges as a viable solution. It complements other renewable sources like wind and solar, but safety is paramount when it comes to nuclear energy. Ensuring the safety of nuclear plants is critical to gaining public trust and support. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, is stepping in, revolutionizing how we manage and operate nuclear power plants. AI can monitor systems in real time and predict potential issues before they become problems. Nuclear power plants are complex systems. They involve intricate machinery and require precise control to operate safely and efficiently. They require constant monitoring and control. Operators must be vigilant and responsive to any changes in the system. Human operators have done this for decades. Their experience and expertise are invaluable, but they are not infallible. But human error is always a possibility. Mistakes can lead to serious consequences, which is why minimizing risk is so important. AI offers a way to reduce these risks. By automating routine tasks and providing advanced analytics, AI can enhance the safety and reliability of nuclear power plants. It can also make nuclear energy even safer and more efficient. With AI, we can look forward to a future where nuclear power plays a key role in a sustainable and secure energy landscape. Artificial intelligence, a powerful tool. Transforming industries. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we live and work. It's the ability of computers to learn and make decisions like humans. AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to medical diagnoses. AI systems can process huge amounts of data. They can identify patterns that humans might miss. This makes AI incredibly valuable in industries like healthcare, finance, and now, nuclear energy. In nuclear power plants, AI acts as an extra set of eyes and ears, constantly analyzing data from various sensors. This helps operators make informed decisions and respond quickly to potential issues. AI on watch, monitoring nuclear reactors with unblinking precision. Imagine a system that never sleeps and never gets tired. That's what AI brings to nuclear reactor monitoring.